This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi A6 grille. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a T25 Torx driver, a flathead screwdriver, and some plastic trim removal tools to prevent scratches. Make sure you have your new Audi A6 grille on hand, ready for the swap. Working in a well-lit, spacious area will make the process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Let's get started. Now, let's prepare for the grille removal by taking off the front bumper. Begin by locating and removing the 8 Torx screws positioned along the top edge of the bumper. Next, you'll need to carefully pull back the wheel arch liners on both sides to expose additional screws. Once those are out, gently pull the bumper forward. Remember to unplug any fog light connectors before completely detaching the bumper from the vehicle. Take your time with this step to avoid damage. With the old grille removed, it's time to install your brand new Audi A6 grille. Carefully position the new grille into the bumper opening, making sure all the mounting points align perfectly. Once aligned, begin securing it with the original screws and clips you removed earlier. Double-check that every tab and clip is fully engaged and seated properly. A snug fit is crucial for both aesthetics and structural integrity. This step is straightforward, but precision is key for a professional finish. Finally, let's reassemble everything and get your Audi A6 looking sharp. Start by reconnecting all electrical connectors, especially those for your fog lights. Then, carefully guide the bumper back into its original position, making sure all the mounting points line up. Reinsert and tighten all the screws you removed earlier, securing the bumper firmly. Give it a gentle shake to ensure everything is solid. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to relax after a project like this, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. It's perfect for reading anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.